I just said Guys, good morning. I don't know why I'm filming this right now. I have to go to the gym. Maybe I'll just bring you along. First, here's my OOTD. Okay, let's go. It's raining. I'll see you after I get back. I'm back. Don't be alarmed, it's me. I put on makeup. Let me explain. First of all, the coffee. If you've never had a shower coffee before, you're living in the wrong way. I don't want to judge you, but I am. You need to try that. As for the makeup, some days I wake up and I'm like, this is gonna be a big day. And then I put on makeup. It's a lot to ask for me. It's a lot. I'm wearing a nice summery outfit today because it's 36 degrees out and it's pouring rain. I just said, I'm gonna look cute. I'm gonna look cute. I just said, screw that noise. What am I gonna make today, you ask? Let's get onto that. I need to find my tripod thingy attachment. It's really gonna blow chunks if I cannot find this right now. Today officially blows chunks, can't find the attachment. I'm back! For today's upcycle, I am pulling out something that I have wanted to make for probably a year's time now, like a very long time. I thrifted this duvet, it's a duvet cover, last year for $2. I'm pretty sure it's like a freaking king size. It's so much fabric. I love it so much because it's this red striped pattern. So cute, right? So cute. That blows my mind and makes me very happy. Here's my inspiration. This dress that I saw on Bobble Bar's Instagram. The thing about this dress is up here it has what's called shirring, where you use like an elastic thread and it kind of makes the fabric come together like that. And I've never tried that before. It's either gonna be super quick, like I'm gonna figure this out and it's just gonna be done, or I'm really, really gonna struggle with it and it's gonna take me all day. You know, it's always a fun adventure. So come along. To start out, I think I'm going to watch a tutorial. YouTube.com.
And the distance between the lines is 2 an inch, I would say. And the distance between the lines.
Let's just get started. Let's get started and go from there. Go from there. The lady said that I need to cut my fabric like twice the width that I want it to be. So I'm gonna do that. I got it for $2. $2. Okay. Righto. I used to live in Australia. Righto. Sorry. That was really offensive, probably. Okay. I've got my piece. I cut it extra big because I'm nervous. I'm always nervous. Next step is to start sewing it, start the shirring just at the very top. I don't know how many rows I'm gonna do yet, maybe like 8 to 10 or something. Sorry, I'll start on the dress soon. My camera is incredibly precariously teetering on an array of objects right now. This is my tripod. It is just 3 notebooks and a candle. I think I'm gonna start. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. You know what? It's fine because if it doesn't look right at first, it's super easy to take out. Okay, here we go. Oh. Ah! My fabric is stuck in my machine right now. Oh, rascals. Okay, this is so bad.
So depending on what you're selling.
Ian's here as my support system. Aww. How nervous are you? It's so nerve-wracking. No one's even here but us. Okay, we're both awkward. We make a great couple. So I just turned up the tension on my machine. This has not been working for me, so that's what I'm gonna try right now. I turned it up to 6. Ian is being a doll and helping me hand wind the bobbin.
Huh? Why did it get out?
This has turned out to be incredibly difficult, and watching like 1,000 tutorials is not helping. Cool. I'm doing it! Okay, I'm doing it. I did not film most of the struggle that just happened, but it was a lot. But I finally figured it out. Stretchy. All right, so I'm gonna do like, I don't know, 10 more lines of this. Be back soon. Okay, remember how I said I was gonna do like 10 more lines? Yeah, I did like a kabillion more. Damn! But it looks so good. I'm really excited. So the next step is to iron it because apparently that makes the elastic shrink up, make it a little bit more taut.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Life is good. So basically what I'm gonna do is just do like one seam right here, you know, like cut all this excess off, and this is gonna be the sleeves, and then sew these together, right sides together, and then all I really have to do is sew the sleeves up like the same way and hem the bottom. Like this was actually kind of easy once I figured it out. So, okay, just hear me out. This is what actually happened. I started to go through with my original plan, and I had the dress all made, and I was looking in the mirror at myself, and I was just like, I hate this. It's just not good. Ugh. And so I proceeded to go through with a different plan, which was this. I cut out a long piece of fabric, 60 inches long by 14 inches, and I basted the top of the long side of that piece of fabric and then gathered the fabric, which I showed you how to do 2 videos ago. I'll link that below. I basically stitched that to the middle of the skirt of the original dress. And I did make the sleeves. They're obviously detachable, so I don't know. I kind of like the dress without them. Yeah, that's what I did instead. Because I ended up hating my first idea, so this is how it turned out.
Don't you know my love ain't for free, yeah. My love ain't for free, nah. My love ain't for free, no. You got to give yourself to me, yeah. Give yourself to me, yeah. Give yourself to me. Always trying to get a better view, yeah. But that moonlight bring the best in you.
I mean, come on. Who would have thunk a $2 duvet cover could be so cute? Very happy with how this turned out. Anyway, it's not summer where I live, but thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you so much. Thank you for all your lovely comments. Like, they honestly mean the world to me. And I'll be making much more for you as soon as I can. I get these videos out as fast as I possibly can. Sometimes it takes longer than others because of certain things, like, you know, slipping on ice and like falling down a bunch of stairs. But mostly it's just me being indecisive and also working full time. This is so dumb. Why am I chewing gum right now? It's probably really annoying. I don't know what I want to say, but I do want to say thank you. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.
No, I don't play those games. Egos always say shit. I don't mean no more or less. I'm just trying to be patient. Be patient.